Hey guys, this is Levi Kaplan with VaporFlame, and we are a special effects company that build pyrotechnics without the pyrotechnics. So we use compressed air and water in our system. We light it up with an LED and make it look like fire. Because it's an LED, you can change your color. It stays perfectly dry, so it's safe to use indoors and around video walls, LED equipment. We're the only ones that the fire marshals like because we don't set off any of the alarms and there's no heat. We just fill it up from the mop sink. Our whole system is powered by an air compressor and a water pump. We fill up that water tank from just a regular old mop sink and send it through our system. Our VaporFlame takes 2 channels of DMX, one for air, one for water, and it lets you go instant on, instant off. We have 3 sizes. We have our middle size, and then we have that does about a 6-foot flame. We have a small size that does a 2-foot flame, and then we've got our big 10-foot model that shoots off the corner. Our medium size uses about 1/4 gallon of water an hour, so it runs long time. It's great for indoor stuff. So yeah, there you go. Hit us up at vaporflame.net.